So, yep. Good news. We didn't leave out last night. Wanted to take a day, let the wind kind of settle in from the south. And yeah, we'll be leaving in the morning for sure. But today, we do have some work to do. We'll be hooking up all the house batteries and boat engine starting battery. We have a lot of batteries. Let's check them out. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 batteries. It should be good. Beautiful day out today. The lovely Q. So first thing we'll do is get all the batteries out. Let's take care of that first.
Tight squeeze.
Yes, it is. Looking for the right one.
So many options to choose from.
Seems like I already had it. Put all them up there so I don't lose them.
A lot of wires. What are you exactly doing?
Right now I'm unhooking everything. So, let me tell y'all, I'm not a mechanic. This is me using a little bit of common sense I have. It's the ground. And trying to make something work here.
What you're doing now?
Righty tighty, lefty loosey. That wire there was to the inverter. Pliers. This bad boy.
Inverter will not come on. That's the problem.
Try to turn it on.
Okay. Nothing.
Nothing still. Try it now.
Nothing.
Now.
Nothing.
You're getting a spark every time you try. Now.
Oh, there we go. Came on. Yes.
Okay, hold on.
Loop 9.5, 12.5. Wait, turned it off.
Hold on. All right, try it now.
Okay.
It's on?
Yes.
What is reading?
Hold on. 12.8.
Okay.
12.5, 6. Now it's back at 8. 12.8. 12. 7, 6. 8. Holding at 12.8 now. Still holding.
That brain.
Still reading it. Now it's 12.7.
Okay, guys. I did get the battery job done. Everything is looking good so far. And yeah, let's show y'all what's going on here. So on the inverter, we're reading with the refrigerator just going 12.5. Just seen it drop for a second. So we got that going on. Let me look at this guy battery set up here. So yeah, that's what we got going on then. Yeah, and I have the other 3 batteries in the cut for backup. So it looks like everything's great. We'll be ready to leave tonight. So we're gonna go get a shower and we will catch up with you guys a little later. that shower feeling so fresh and so clean. Headed back to the boat to get ready for tomorrow morning. About 4 a.m. We'll be pulling the ropes off the mooring ball, the sheets, whatever you want to call them. Putting them off the mooring ball and yeah, be on to the Bahamas. See y'all in the morning.